Did you bring anyone along your journey, or did you do it alone?
I'm doing it with my sister after the sessions. We actually used to take them together just to listen. So yes, we decided to save together. We have a saving box, so we do it together. We save together. So yes, I'm glad to be sharing it, and I hope we shall share it with even more people.
There is room to grow and not to grow alone. And allow me to tell you a fun fact about saving in Uganda as we give Aliyah a moment to take a breather. They have wooden saving boxes. Kenyans, we are used to the metal ones. They have wooden saving boxes for equivalent of 20 shillings. I told Aliyah, you need to bring those here. Kenyans need them. So that's a fun fact about just how Aliyah has been able to implement something into her own life, and she's building up with it and not doing it on her own.